In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Booksy and get your business profile set up just right. Let's get started by heading over to Booksy.com. Once you're there, take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a login button. Click on it and sign in using your business account credentials. This is your gateway to managing all the wonderful business features Booksy has to offer. Now that you've logged in, the next thing you want to do is navigate to your business settings. For that, glance again at the top right corner. You'll find your profile picture or your initials there. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear and you'll want to select Settings. Then move on to Business Profile, which is sometimes also referred to as Business Information. This is where you can really start customizing your presence on the platform. Let's move on to adding or updating your business information. First things first, if you haven't done so already, upload your logo or a professional profile photo. Make sure it's clear and polished. After all, this is part of your first impression on potential clients. Next, you'll want to add a cover or banner image. This should be something that visually represents your brand and catches the eye of anyone visiting your page. While you're at it, take a moment to craft a short yet catchy business description. This is your opportunity to let clients know what you're all about and highlight the services you offer in a compelling way. After setting up your basic profile, it's time to customize your services and availability. Go over to the services section where you can add or edit the services you provide. Make sure each service has a clear name, the correct price, and an accurate duration. This clarity will benefit both you and your clients as it ensures everyone has the same expectations right from the get-go. While you're at it, don't forget to set your working hours under the availability section. This is crucial because it determines when clients can book appointments with you, so make sure it aligns with your actual business hours. Next up, let's personalize your page details further. Update your address, phone number, and social media links. These elements ensure that clients can reach you and engage with your business beyond just booking appointments. If you have a team, consider adding staff profiles complete with photos and short bios. You have the option to enable a feature allowing clients to choose a particular staff member for their services, which can be especially appealing for regular clients who prefer a specific team member. Finally, before you wrap up, scroll down and click on Save Changes to make sure all your hard work isn't lost. If there's a preview page button available, take advantage of it. This feature lets you see exactly how your scheduling page will look to clients, allowing you to make any final tweaks for the best presentation possible. By taking these steps, you'll ensure that your Booksy profile is not only professional, but also inviting and easy for clients to navigate.